Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all, friends? So, I hope you're going well. So, all friends, inshallah, today we will read lesson number 6. So, first of all, I'm telling you, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, then please must subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, if you like this video, then must share my YouTube channel. Thank you all, friends. Jazakallah. So, let's start our lesson. First of all, Alhamdulillah, we will complete lesson number 1, lesson number 2, and lesson number 4 and 5. So, in this lesson, we will read harakat and tanween together. So let's start our lesson. Say with me, رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. رَبِّ زِدْنِي عِلْمًا. So let's start. تعوذ تسمية. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. And تسمية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So this is lesson number 6. Its name Harakat and Tanween. So I'm also telling you in this lesson number 4, Harakat mean Zabar Zer Pesh and Tanween mean two Zabar, two Zer, two Pesh. So when will come Harakat here, then we don't stretch. And when will come Tanween here, then we increase the nasal sound and then we stretch. So let's start our lesson. So this is Hamza Zabar A, and the next letter will coming one dot below, that is called Ba. It is the little shape of Ba here. So Ba Zabar Ba, it will be Aba. Say with me again, Hamza Zabar A, Ba Zabar Ba. So it will be Aba. And the next letter will coming Dal. So Dal with coming on the top side, two Zabar here. So that is called Tanween or Harakat. All friends, can you tell me? This is tanween because this is two zabar here. So dal two zabar dan. So it will be abadan. So read with me again. Hamza zabar a, ba zabar ba. It will be aba. Dal two zabar dan. So it will be abadan. And the next letter is again Hamza here. So Hamza zabar a, ha zabar ha, because this is semicircle shape and this is empty shape, then we will read ha. So increase the top throat of side. Ha zabar ha, it will be aha. Dal two pesh dun, it will be ahadun. Mashallah, you going well, all friends. So and the next letter is hamza again. Hamza zabar a, kho zabar kho, it will be akho. Dhal zabar dha, it will be akhadha, akhadha. And the next letter is again Hamza with coming zabar sign. So read with me. Hamza zabar a, dhal there the, it will be adi. And the next letter is noon with coming zabar sign. So that is called noon zabarna. It will be adina. And the next letter is Hamza Zabar A, Mim Zabarma. It will be Ama. And the next letter is Ra with coming Zabar sign. So Ra Zabar Ra. It will be Amara. MashaAllah, you're going well. So and the next letter is Hamza. So all friends, when will come Alif and in the top side Zabar, Zer, Pesh or any other sign here, then we don't read Alif. We read Hamza and alif with converting hamza. So this is hamza zabar a, noon alif zabar na. So it will be ana because this is alif madda here. So when we will read lesson number 8, then I'm telling you alif madda. So and the next letter is ba because this is the little shape of ba here and it's one dot below here. So that is called ba zabar ba, kho zir khi, it will be bakhi. Lam zaballa, it will be bakhila. And the next letter is coming one dot inside and that is called ba. So all friends, what is the name of this letter? Ba. Ba zabar ba, ra zabar ra. So what sound will come? Bara. And the next letter is ra zabar ra. Barara. Tha to Z tin. It will be bararatin. And the next letter is semicircle shape and one dot below. So that is called Jim. So Jim Zabarja. And the next letter is Ain. When will come Ain here, then you read the middle part of throat. Ain Zabra, Ja'a, Lam Zabarla. So it will be Ja'ala. So and the next letter is Jim Zabarja, Mim Zabarma. So it will be Jama, Ain Zabara. It will be Jama'a. So this is last letter, and inshallah we will read the next line tomorrow. So inshallah, in the next class tomorrow, we will first, this lesson is half complete. So inshallah, in the next class, we will, this lesson is full complete. So all friends, if you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, then you must subscribe to my YouTube channel. So fi aman Allah, and may Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.